Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating an ASB, NET Core MVC project. Choose the Model View Controller template so scaffolding lines up. Once done, add a Models folder and define plain classes with validation attributes because you want structured data and server-side checks. Next, register your DB context in Startup or Program and put the connection string in App Settings. JSON, this connects your models to the database. Make sure to include EF Core packages so scaffolding and migrations run smoothly. Now scaffold controllers and views or create them manually. You want controllers with index, details, create, edit, and delete actions to cover CRUD. Use razor views that are strongly typed to models or view models so data binding is clear and safe. This explains why you separate concerns. Once actions exist, inject DB context via constructor and use async EF Core methods to keep the app responsive. Also configure routing so URLs map to controller actions predictably. Finish by running migrations and updating the database, then exercise full flows. Create, read, update, delete because that proves the loop. Test with browser dev tools and server logs and set breakpoints in controller actions to watch model binding and EF calls. This is how you find subtle issues. If something goes wrong, first check the connection string and migration state, then verify model property names match view bindings. Once resolved, make sure to add validation and user-friendly error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.